finished. Today you have a new name. So you choose a picture. You read the words. You find your name. Please sit down. You choose a picture. One picture. You choose anything. Any picture. Okay. You choose. Okay. You read your name. This is find your name. Please sit down. Okay. Sit down. Okay. You choose. You go. You find your name and sit down. Right? You choose a picture. Please sit down. Find your name. This is your name. Your hand is on your neck. Your hand is on your neck. This is your new name. You find your name? Okay. My name is Isaac. I am from Paindo. Today, now I am very happy for teaching to you. Okay. What day is today? What day today?
Today is 20th of January.
Okay, good job. Who writes the date on the chalkboard? Okay, please. You write down the date on your the 20th of January on Friday. Okay. Please, students, please look at the chalkboard. This is our lesson's rules. Yes, be active, be prepared, listen carefully, speak clearly and loudly. No is, no phone, no speak Mongolia, no cheese is, no cheat. And shy is, no shy. Okay, teacher, I am. Okay, you speak loudly. Okay, now please watch the video.
Okay, yes, please.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our school museum.
Oh, thank you. What is this?
It is a tea packet.
What was it made of?
It was made of animal skin.
Oh, very neat.
Yes, separate people building.
Okay. And what were these pens made of?
These pens were made of iron.
Oh, very old.
Yeah, the school directors use these pens.
Okay. Is this a key?
Yeah, exactly.
What was it made of?
It was made of iron.
Okay. A very big key.
Yeah, it's a very big.
And what is this?
It is a chalkboard. It's a very old chalkboard.
What was it made of?
It was made of wood, very hard wood.
Okay. And what were these desks made of?
These desks were made of wood.
Okay. And what were these chairs made of?
These chairs were made of wood.
Okay.
It's a very old desks and chairs.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. See you.
Okay. What do you think? What is the video about? Where are they? Where are they? They are where? Do you know where? Where are you from? I am from, I know where. Where are they? You, in the museum. Okay, good job. What are they talking about? This is new for you, so you can say in Mongolia. What are they talking about? You know where the You say it. You did it. Sleep. So this is for Mark. You know where the Okay, good job, very good. What things were made of it? Okay. Now, which students are wearing red word? Which students are wearing red word? Please stand up. Please stand up. Which red word? Red word. Do you know red? This is red. Red. Which students are wearing red word? Please stand up. This is red? Yes, no. No. This is not. Only red word. This is red? No, this is down. Do you understand? Only red word. Stand up. This is red? No, sit down. This is red?
No.
Hmm? This is red? Please sit down. Sit down. Okay, today we will be able to say what things were made of. So first we will learn some materials name. We will say what it was made of. We will learn difference between what and where. This is your new name. Her name is Iron. Iron. His name is Glass. His name is Silver. Her name is Wood. Her name is Copper. This is red?
No.
No. This is red?
No.
Her name is Skin. Skin. This is iron. Iron is in Mongolia? Tumor. Okay, good job. His name is Cloud. Cloud is? Wow. His name is Silver. Silver is? Okay, good job. Her name is Wood. Wood is? Not. Her name is Copper. Copper is? Okay, good job. Her name is Skin. Skin is? Alice. Okay, good job. Everybody, you say? Iron. Cloth. Silver. Wood. Copper.
Skin. Iron. Skin. Iron. Skin. Clothes. Copper. 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 Silver. Wood. Silver. Wood. Iron.
Wood. Everybody say. Silver.
Clothes.
Iron. Skin.
Copper. Wood. Silver. Clothes. Iron. Skin. Clothes. Copper.
Iron. Okay, good job. Today they are what? You will. They are. You will know. Materasse. Materasse. Yeah? Materasse. Okay, please sit down. Thank you. This is bread muslin. Where am I from? Where am I from? Bayando. Do you know Bayando? Good job. Bread. Bayando has a lot of bread people. So I want to show mini bread muslin. Okay? So you just listen to me. This is, you don't say, a bag was made of cloth. Okay, good job. They are saddlebags. They were made of skin. Okay, good job, very good. It is hat, bread hat, bread hat, bread hat. It was made of cloth. It is baby bed. Baby bed. It was made of skin. Okay, good job, very good. They are both. You say they were made of copper. They were made of copper. No days. It is only one. It was, okay, good job, was made of wood. Very good, very good. It is pen. It was
made of
iron. Okay, good job. They are boots. No, they were made of skin. Okay, good job. Skin. Okay, now you write the words, the sentence on your notebook. On your notebook. The topic is students, you write the new words. Iron is in Mongolia. Tomorrow. You write on your note. Did you finish? Did you finish? Okay. What difference was and where? What difference? What difference? What is singular noun? Where is with the plural noun? Okay, good job. Apple, 1. Boots, 2. Balls, 1 was. This, 4. Red, earrings, 2. Where? What is 1? Where is a lot of many? 2. Okay, now you have worksheet. You have worksheet. You look at the picture and you complete the sentence. A chair was made of what? Okay, good job. Good. This is a chair was made of what? You choose. You see the sentence in the chapter. Did you manage? Okay, switch the worksheet to your partner. Switch the worksheet to your partner. Your partner. You are partner. Switch the worksheet. Okay. If you finish, you will switch the worksheet to your partner. If you finish, you switch. This is future. Okay, who is silver? You raise hand. Who is silver? Who is silver? You raise hand. Who is silver? Do you silver? Are you silver? Yes. Now you read first sentence. This you read first sentence. You read.
A chair was made of wood.
A chair was made of wood. Let's check the answer. A chair was made of wood. Okay, good job. If your partner says this is correct, you tick. Okay, can you please sit down? Next sentence. Who is class? Please stand up. You read second sentence.
Clothes were made of wood.
Clothes
Were
were.
made of wood.
Okay, let's check. All the students read the sentence.
Clothes were made of cloth.
Okay, good job. You tick. Next sentence. Who read?
A helmet was made of iron.
Let's check. Everybody read.
A helmet
All students.
was made of iron.
Iron. Okay, good job. Next sentence. Who wants to read?
Cups were made of copper.
Cups.
Cups were made of copper.
Let's check. Cup. All students, you read.
Cups were made of copper.
Copper. Okay, good job. Next sentence. Okay,
A hat was made of skin.
let's check. All the students, you read the sentence.
A hat was made of skin.
Last sentence. Who wants to read? Last sentence. You raise hand. Who wants to read? Okay.
Rings were made of scissors.
Let's check.
Rings were made of paper.
Okay, good job. Very good. You switch the worksheet. Okay. You have a Muslim picture. A Muslim picture. Okay. Now you ask each other, what was it made of? It was made of silver. What were they made of? They were made of wood. So what you ask each other? Birbirinize sorarak, what was it made of? It was made of. What was it made of? It okay, it was made of wood. What was it made of? Silver or iron. Which what was
It was made of
okay, now you ask.
What was made of?
Which thing was made of? Did you ask? Did you finish? Okay, please tell me. Please stand up. Okay. Her name is Pen. Her name is Ivan. You make sentence. What? I ask. What was it made of?
It was
It
made of iron.
Okay, good job. Her name is Boots. Her name is Steel. What were they made of? They were made of steel. Okay, good job. Please stand up. Her name is Boss. His name is Eben. You make sentence.
What made of?
You make sentence.
What
They
were made of?
Is right? Yes, no? No. Okay, good job. Please stand up. Please come in. Her name is Briette. This is Briette. This Briette Gjönsted. Briette Gjönsted. This nice? Is it nice?
Yes.
His name is Klas. I ask him, what was it made of?
It was made of
It
was made of
Okay, good job. Sit down. Bismillah. His name is Fox. Her name is Wood. Okay, good job. You please stand up. You stand here. You stand here. You ask the question. You ask the question to the class students. Ask.
What was it made of?
Okay, good job.
It was made of wood.
It
Was made of wood.
Okay, good job. Do you understand this lesson?
Yes.
Half class, scratch the ball. Good. You ask me. You ask me.私それ。They were made of skin. It was made of skin. This is what was it was made of wood. Okay. Which page you ask? You show ask the question to the class students. Cool. You listen. Please come in. You are. Please come in. Okay. You point and kill and wax. What was it made of?
It was made of iron.
Okay, good job. Now yours.
Um,
Which?
what was it made of?
It was made of wood.
Okay, good job. Very good. This one. Now who?
What was made of?
What was?
It made. Was made of.
Okay.
What was made of?
What
Was made of.
was it?
Made of. It was made of skin.
Skin. Okay, good job.
What was it made of?
It made of. It was made of silver. What was it made of?
It was made of rubber.
Okay, good job. Very good. Great. Now you have whiteboard. Whiteboard. Okay. I see a picture. You look at the picture and make sentence. For example, this example, you make sentence. This is picture A. A was made of iron. Then I say 1, 2, 3, ah. You let whiteboard. Do you understand?
Yes.
Picture A. That's it. Now you make sentence. If you finish, you put down. If you finish, you put down. I said 1, 2, 3 up, you say. Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 up. Now let's check. A was made of copper. Okay, good, very good. Now you raise. Do you understand? Okay, next picture is B. Next picture is B. One, two, three, up. Picture B. We were made of skin. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now you raise. B, raise. B. This picture B. Picture B. Picture C. Picture C. One, two, three, up. Okay. See? You read the sentence?
She was made of skin.
Let's check. She was made of glass. Okay. Now, I have seat ticket. This seat ticket. Do you understand seat ticket? This ticket. Ticket is in Mongolia? Seat ticket. Seat ticket. Seat. Soft aslan. Soft aslan. Now, last picture, I don't say 1, 2, 3, up. Bir, yakna. Geç. You, if you finish, you stand up with the whiteboard. Okay? Then, let's check the answer. If your sentence is correct, you take seat ticket. Sit. If your sentence is incorrect, no correct, you stand here. Do you understand? Do you understand? You stand to the class students. Okay, good job. Picture. Picture D. If you finish, please stand up. Stand up. You don't think. You don't think. Stand. You don't think. You put your pen. You put your marker on the desk. Let's check. Let's check. D
Was made of silver.
D was made of silver. This is silver. Okay, good job. You sit down. Sit down. Please sit down. D was made of silver. Good job. Okay. Was made of. Okay, good job. Very good. Very good. Homework is, you write down. Homework is page number 103, exercise 6. Page number 103, exercise 6. Okay, did you finish? Okay, you are good students. What's your good side? No, you can flip. Now you can flip card.